If I woke up tomorrow with absolutely nothing, no subscribers, no portfolio, no cash, I wouldn't be scared. I'd be energized. Why? Because I wouldn't be guessing. I would be executing a time-tested battle plan used by the greatest investor in history, Charlie Munger. We all know the billionaire sage sitting on stage drinking Diet Coke, but we ignore the first chapter of his story. We ignore the 29-year-old Charlie, the one who was divorced in the 1950s, a massive social stigma. The one who emptied his bank account to pay medical bills for his 9-year-old son, Teddy, only to watch him die of leukemia. He was broke, he was grieving, he was walking the streets of Pasadena completely alone. That was his rock bottom. So when you ask, Sam, what if I lose it all? I don't invent a theory. I look at what Charlie did next. I call this the Munger Reset. It is a precise 12-month framework to go from below zero to financial traction. It works in booms and busts. It works if you are 25 or 55. If you are entering 2026 feeling broken, this video is your lifeline. You don't need motivation. Motivation is cheap. You need a protocol. Let's get to work. Before we get to the monthly breakdown, we need to reframe your situation. If you are starting 2026 with nothing, you actually have 3 massive advantages that wealthy people, including me, no longer have. First advantage, you have nothing to protect. When you have assets, you are playing defense. You have insurance, property taxes, maintenance, and a lifestyle to uphold. High earners are often paralyzed by fear. I know guys making $300,000 a year who are terrified to leave their miserable jobs because they have a $4,000 mortgage and 2 leased Audis. They're prisoners of their own comfort. You are free. You have no golden handcuffs. You can pivot, move, change careers, or work 16 hours a day without worrying about maintaining an image. Rock bottom is a solid foundation because you can't fall any further. Second advantage, your tuition is cheap. If you try a side hustle this year and it fails, what do you lose? A few $100? Some pride? That's nothing. When a billionaire makes a mistake, it costs millions. When a middle-class person makes a mistake, it costs their retirement. But when you are at zero, your mistakes are just tuition. You can afford to experiment aggressively because the cost of failure is negligible. Third advantage, the compounding clock. Poverty compounds just like wealth. Bad habits stack up. Every year you spend drifting is a year that works against you. But here's the good news. The moment you stop drifting and start steering, the math flips. If you are reading this and you're 30, 40, or even 50, you still have runway. But that runway gets shorter every January you waste. So here's the deal. We're going to treat 2026 as a contract year. Athletes do this all the time. They sign a 1-year deal, play their hearts out, sacrifice everything, and then sign a massive contract the next season. You are signing a 1-year contract with yourself. For the next 12 months, you are going to live differently than everyone else so you can live better than everyone else for the rest of your life. Here's the month-by-month plan. Step 1. January. The Ruthless Audit. If you are at zero, it's because money is leaving your life faster than it enters. It's simple physics. Most people try to fix this by earning more immediately. That's a mistake. You can't fill a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. Your mission in January is not to get rich, it is to stop the bleeding. On January 1st, I want you to print out your last 3 months of bank statements. Get a red pen. Circle every single expense that is not essential for survival. I'm talking about the status tax. Do you have a car payment? The average car payment in America is over $700. If you are broke, you have no business driving a financed car. Sell it, get rid of it, buy a beater with cash, or take the bus. But Sam, I need a nice car for my image. No, you need solvency. Your image is keeping you poor. Cancel the subscriptions, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, the gym membership you don't use. But I deserve some entertainment. When you are broke, the only thing you deserve is to stop being broke. Libraries are free. YouTube is free. Push-ups in your living room are free. This isn't forever. This is for 1 year. Can you sacrifice comfort for 12 months to save the next 40 years of your life? By the end of January, your goal is to cut your monthly burn rate by 30 to 50%. That creates margin. Margin creates peace. Step 2, February and March, the income sprint. Now that the bucket isn't leaking, we turn on the faucet. But listen closely. Do not invest yet. If you have $500 to your name, putting it in the S&P 500 is mathematically irrelevant. You don't need a 10% return on $500, $50. You need a 100% return on your time. February and March are about income stacking. You have 16 waking hours in a day. If you work 8 hours at your job, you have 8 hours left. For these 60 days, you are going to work like a maniac. I don't care if it's menial. I don't care if it's beneath you. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Fiverr, Upwork, cleaning gutters, moving furniture. I once knew a guy who was a graphic designer by day, but he was drowning in debt. For 3 months, he delivered pizzas at night. He didn't tell his friends. He swallowed his pride. He made an extra $1,500 a month. In 2 months, he had $3,000. That $3,000 wasn't just cash. It was psychological leverage. Your goal by April 1st is simple. Save $5,000 cash. Do whatever it takes. Sell things from your closet. Work weekends. Sleep less. This $5,000 is your seed capital for the rest of your life. Step 3. April, May, June. The emergency wall. You have $5,000. You're feeling good. The temptation now is to treat yourself or dump it into a risky crypto coin hoping to get rich quick. Don't do it. We are going to spend the next 3 months turning that $5,000 into $10,000 to $15,000. We are building the emergency wall. Critics will tell you cash is trash, inflation is eating it. Ignore them. They have never been broke. When you are starting from zero, cash is not an investment. Cash is oxygen. When you have $10,000 in the bank, you walk differently. When your boss yells at you, you don't panic because you know you can survive for 3 months without a paycheck. When your car breaks down, it's an inconvenience, not a tragedy. This is what Charlie Munger understood. He lived well below his means so he could capitalize when opportunities appeared. You can't seize an opportunity if you're living paycheck to paycheck. By June 30th, your goal is to have a fully funded emergency fund. This is the psychological bridge. You are crossing from survival mode, fight or flight, to stability mode, planning and strategy. Step 4. July and August. The you asset. Now things get interesting. You have your cash wall. You've stopped the bleeding. Now we invest. But not in the stock market. Not yet. We are going to invest in the only asset that can yield 1,000% returns. You. Take $1,000 to $2,000 of your savings and upgrade your earning power. Most people stop learning the day they leave school. That is why they stagnate. I want you to buy skills, not stuff. Is there a certification that would get you a $10,000 raise at work? Buy the course. Take the test. Is there a tool, like a better laptop or software, that would let you freelance twice as fast? Buy it. Is there a conference where you could meet people who are playing a bigger game than you? Go to it. Charlie Munger called this becoming a learning machine. He said, "In my whole life, I have known no wise people who didn't read all the time. None. Zero." Use July and August to level up your value in the marketplace. If you can increase your hourly rate from $25 to $50, you have literally doubled your financial efficiency for the rest of your life. That beats any stock pick. Step 5. September and October. The second stream. By autumn, you are a different person. You have cash, you have new skills, you are leaner and meaner. Now, we build the separation. Most people rely on one income stream. That is a single point of failure. If that job goes away, they are back to zero. We are going to build a second income stream. This isn't about passive income scams. This is about building a small, reliable asset. Maybe you take the extra money you're earning from your new skills and start a dividend portfolio. It won't pay much yet, maybe $10 a month, but it's a start. Maybe you start a service business on the side that generates $500 a month on retainer. The goal here is consistency. I want you to see money coming into your account that is not tied to your 9-to-5 clock, even if it's just $100 a month. That $100 is proof of concept. It proves you can generate wealth, not just wages. Step 6. November. The holiday trap defense. This is where 90% of people fail. You've had a great year, you've saved, you've worked hard. Then November hits. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas commercials, the social pressure to buy gifts you can't afford for people you rarely see. The holiday trap is designed to strip you of your wealth right before the finish line. Retailers spend billions on psychology to make you feel guilty if you don't spend. Hold the line. November is for protection. Be the weirdo. Be the person who says, "Hey guys, I'm doing a no-spend November to hit my financial goals." Make homemade gifts. Offer services instead of goods. Do not finance Christmas. Do not put the holidays on a credit card. If you survive November and December without dipping into your savings, you have won the mental game. You have broken the consumer conditioning. Step 7. December. The Year 2 Launchpad. You made it. Look at where you are. It's December 2026. You have zero consumer debt. You have $15,000 in the bank. You have a new skill set. You have a second income stream. And most importantly, you have confidence. You no longer fear the bank app. You control it. Now, in December, you don't celebrate by blowing it all off. You plan Year 2. Year 1 was about defense and stabilization. Year 2 is about offense and wealth. This is when you start maxing out retirement accounts. This is when you look at buying real estate. This is when the compounding really begins. I'm going to be honest with you. This plan is simple. It's boring. It's unsexy. There is no secret crypto coin. There is no AI trading bot. It's just discipline, math, and psychology. Because of that, most people won't do it. Most people will watch this video, nod their heads, get a hit of dopamine, and then go back to their old habits. They will start 2026 broke, and they will end 2026 broke. But a few of you, maybe 1%, will actually do this. You will print this out. You will tape it to your mirror. You will endure the awkwardness of driving a cheap car. You will endure the fatigue of working extra hours. And 5 years from now, when you are sitting on a net worth of $500,000, you will look back at 2026 not as the year you struggled, but as the year everything changed. Charlie Munger dug himself out of a hole way deeper than yours. He didn't do it with magic. He did it with a plan. You have the plan. The only variable left is you. Start today.